All right, we're going to move on to chapter 9 in the book here, and we're going to do the first exercise, the rod slide. What a weird name. Anyway, so as usual, new. And this is inches. So we will use standard. Go to English. And there we are, standard inches. Create. We'll give it a time to come up. So we've got this strange looking thing. Don't forget to get your book. Don't just watch the videos, grab the book and go along with it too. That way you can kind of be along where I'm at. All right, so we're going to start with the base first. So I'm going to go with the top view. So start sketch, and I'm going to hit top view. Don't forget to rotate it so it's straight up. Then we're just going to do a rectangle. Now our rectangle is 3 by 3, so we'll just type 3 and then hit tab and type 3, and there's our 3 by 3 rectangle. I'm going to move that. Pick a base point somewhere, it doesn't matter where, and we'll pop it right there. Now 1.5 and 1.5, that centers it. Alright, so we'll go ahead and extrude that. Now, our base is going to be 0.5 in height, according to the book. Alright, so there's that. Now, we got to get that other part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a plane, okay? So we're going to take a plane, and we just pick this side and we'll go over. Now, how far do we go? Well, it tells you in the book that you need to go over ½ inch. So, negative. See the negative sign up there? See, it's going in a negative direction. You can see it right there. So we'll type negative 0.5. And hit the check mark. Now that's what we're going to pick, and then pick this, so that's your create sketch button. Alright, now if you hit F7, it cuts away. So you can see the cutaway. So, let's go ahead and get this going. And I'm just going to kind of sketch it in. Alright, and then I will project geometry on the bottom face to get that line. Now, let's get our dimensions in. So from here to here, it's going to be 1. That was very close. Now, that is going to be 45 degrees. Let's back up. Part of the top is 2.5. Let's make that 45. Now, it just really wants that to go that way. I don't know why, but we can fix that. There we go. I'll trim this off. Now, this dimension is 1. And that will be 45 as well. Alright, so that gets that. Everything's constrained. Now it's not, but that's okay. You can leave that there. So we'll finish that. Alright, so now we're going to extrude it. And of course we're going the other way. And we want that to go 2. And there we go. Now, come over here, we can kill the visibility on that. Alright, so all we got now is a hole. It's a hole. And it is a diameter of 1.5. There we go. 1.5, and it's going to be right in the middle of this. I don't know why I didn't take. Come on. There we go. That'll be 1 inch. And that will be 1 inch. And it does go all the way through, so make sure you have through all picked. Right there, through all. Once you got it, hit OK, and that's our spot. Now, exercise thing says create the solid models and the associated 2D drawings and save the exercises in the chapter 9 folder. So we're going to do this. Now we need an auxiliary view for this face. So let's go ahead and lay this thing out. First things first, properties. Let's look rod slide. Doesn't say of any material. We'll go ahead and do that. So we've got a rod slide, and we'll save this bad boy. This will be CAD 45. So we'll save that as CAD 45. And now it's time to do our little thing. So up here we go, pick that. Either one of these, okay? It doesn't matter which one. If you use DWG, you can open it up in AutoCAD. Now, let's go ahead, change our sheet back to a B size. All right, now we'll do our base. Now that's the only two views I'm going to do on this one, okay? But we need to do an auxiliary view. So pick auxiliary. See how it gives me the red thing? So pick that view and then pick the face. Now we can slide that out here. And there's our auxiliary view right there in the middle. All right, so let's go ahead and annotate. Go ahead and get that there. Just for fun, we'll put one there. Now, I'm going to pull this down a little bit, which will move that over some. Now, there's that. And there's that. And there's that. And that's really all we can do on this top one. Now, on this side one, let's go ahead and get our, let's try it again. Try not to hit the dot this time. There we go. Get that. Okay, and that's almost got that one. Let's hit the dot again. Gotta miss that dot if you want to do this kind of dimension. There we go. All right, so now we'll come over here. Do that one. Dimension type, aligned. There we go. And remember, bigger dimensions go outside of smaller ones, right? So that means I'm going to pull this one out a little bit. I'm going to pull that out a little bit more because I know I got to get another one in here as well. So boom, boom. All right, one more thing. Diameter on the hole. Okay, now you don't have to worry about all the stuff around here. We're just worried about this area right there. All the other stuff is covered in here, okay? So we got our dimensions as we need them, and that's it. All right, so that one's done. So we'll go ahead and save that. And it's CAD 45 IDW, and save. Now, export. CAD 45 PDF, and that's what you will turn in. Okay, so that takes care of that one, and we'll see you for the CAD 46 next.